AI Converter, the Naturalist AI development team is now exploring how artificial intelligence can assist in improving productivity and communication by transforming lengthy text into clear, concise bullet points for faster understanding. We are tasked to build Python-based AI model that converts a given paragraph into concise and easy to read bullet. Inside root to a OpenAI project converter.py. This file is we need to create OpenAI client using API key and password provided for this session. You can see here bash profile. You can see API key and bash URL. Use this paragraph for conversion and also using the OpenAI model and store result variable in response and function must accept one parameter text. Need to run before the converter create activate virtual environment. Need to create the environment before running the command. Now go to the converter.py file. We need to create OpenAI client and also convert to bullets text to string text of. Before that, you can see here, I create the client OpenAI API keys OS environment get OpenAI API key. As shown, they have given the directory. Bash and OpenAI API key. They are called variable under the client. Now we need to create convert to bullets text to convert the following paragraph into short meaningful bullet points. So we are giving the prompt to convert to the bullet. Parameterized prompt asking to the AI convert given paragraph into short meaningful bullet points. We are giving the same line. And after creating the function, send the constructed prompt to the OpenAI chat model. So we need to create the chat model, the client chat completion, create. This is the chat model creation. The model name is OpenAI GPT 4.1 and message should be role user content of prompt. The maximum tokens of 150 and time range 0.1. It will be returned to the response. And use this paragraph. Artificial intelligence is transforming industry by automating tasks. So we need to use the paragraph as it is given and improving decision making, finance and education. We are given in the paragraph and result will be convert to bullets. The paragraph will be converting to the bullets. Now we have run the command. Before run the command, we need to change our directory. Directory name is directory. Yeah, this is our directory. CD root project OpenAI project. Now directory was changed. We need to run the command of Before we need to create an environment. Python 3 minus m vnv vnv and source vnv bin activate. Activate, I think activate is bin activate. And we need to install OpenAI. To install OpenAI, pip install OpenAI. After running the command, OpenAI will be installed to your environment. Now we have run our command. Before we need to run our key key bash file. Root dot bash file dot bash profile. This is the file name. Content of the keys and environment. Now we have run the bin python. Now run our file name. File name is converter.py. Converter.py. Run the file. Permission denied OpenAI project. Put 3 site packages. Line 1105 in request. Actually, we have creating the environment, but will be showing the error. Converted py line 33. Go to the line 33 of converted py. Okay. Line 16 will be response screenshot completion. Model number is will be what is the model number is OpenAI PT 4.1. We have only the provided that. Okay. So we are using the previous version of model for this. This is the previous version we are using. So I'm using the mini version. And after run the command, will be work or not. Okay, I will run the command. Okay. Run the command. Again, I will run the command. Now you can, now it will be output will be available. Now you can see we actually it was provided the model of OpenAI GPT 4.1, but we are previously used to OpenAI GPT 4.1 mini version only, mini model. But in this task they have only provided 4.1, but it was not acceptable because of in the library, the model is not available. So only this error is happening. You can see the error code 403. You can see here the model 4.10.1 is was not movable. Let I will zoom out. 4.1 is not supported. Model OpenAI GPT 4.1 is not supported. But actually in this task they have only giving the 4.1. So I'm using the previous model. The previous task model of we are using GPT 4.1 mini version only. So I'm using the same version of now this command is now running. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, automates tasks, improves decision making, enables new innovative, and it will be the task will be in the bullet points, giving to the bullet points. Now check our task. Task is finished. Thank you for watching.